Teo. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, sorry. How about this? Can you see teacher? Can you see teacher? Yes, now. Hello? I cannot hear you. Hello, hello, hello. What's going on? Hello? Ah, okay. There you are. Hello, Teo. Can you see teacher? Yes? Okay, there you go. I thought you cannot hear teacher. Okay, okay, there you go. How are you today?
I'm great.
You're great. And what did you do today?
I went to school
Mm-hmm.
and piano academy and taekwondo academy and swimming academy.
Ooh, that's a lot in just one day. Wow. Oh, can I also say that you did a great job? So many academies at your age. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, is it okay if you still have a little bit of energy to dance? Is this
Yes.
okay? Okay, here we go. A little bit. Energy.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. La 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 la.
Okay, there you go. A little bit of energy before we start our class. Okay. Oh. Can I ask Teo, what did we discuss last time? We talked about, you still remember? Clothes. Yes?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And it's a little bit confusing for you with pants, jeans, and trousers. Yes? Just
Yes.
yeah, in English, they are like similar or the same, but only um texture. Oh, hello, Joha. Hello, sister. Hello, hello. Okay, so now we are on the next page. Yes, this one. I'll wait for a while. Teacher's just gonna get this bigger. Okay, bigger, bigger. Okay. Can you read letter C, please? Look at the picture. Okay, go.
Look at the picture.
Mm-hmm.
Write one word answers to the question.
One word to the question. Examples. Examples. Question. What color is the boy's t-shirt? What's the answer? Yes? Red. Okay, red. Where is the boy wearing the red t-shirt? We have a lot of shirts, but we also have a t-shirt. For example, teacher is wearing a t-shirt now. The cut is here. That's why it looks like a T. And Teo is wearing a t-shirt also. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. No jackets. Oh, and also if I have this one, look at this. Teacher is wearing a jacket. Yeah, okay. Now, how about question number two? Look at the question example. Can you read this one? Right here.
How many sofas are there?
Okay, do you know what is a sofa? What's the other word for sofa? Is it table, chairs, bed? Ooh, this one, Theo, right here. Sorry. Do you know what is a sofa? Do you know? Yes or no? No? Okay. A sofa is like a chair but longer. So how many sofas are there? The answer is right here, one. Only one. It's like a chair, but like a bed. Bigger, like this, or longer. Yeah, okay? And
Okay.
also in this question and answer, we will learn together because we have pictures. Ah, so this is a sofa in English. We just call it chair. We have this one. Sorry, wait for a while. This one also, Theo, is a chair. Right here. Yes, this is a chair. Yes?
Yes.
And this one also right here is a chair. But in English, we have a lot of words we can use to say what we mean. For example, this is a metal chair or a stainless chair or a wood chair. This one is a foam chair, single chair, but this one, better we say it sofa. Like one chair, no, it can get many people on, longer chair. Okay? Get it? Sofa? Yeah? Uh-huh. Okay, good. Now, if teachers say, Teo, do you have a sofa in your house?
No.
Do no? This one? Yes, no. What?
No.
No, okay. Wait for a while. I'll put it here so that you can see it. Spelling. This is a sofa. Sometimes I sleep on the sofa. Very soft. Yeah, like a soft chair. Okay. Now, how about number one? Can you please read so that we can start to answer? Okay. Number one, right here. Question.
Where is the jacket?
Okay, let's look at the picture. Where is the jacket? Do you see a jacket? Dum, ba, bum, bum, bum. The jacket is on the, do you see it? Mm-hmm. Okay. The jacket is on the, finish? Not yet? Okay.
No.
Tell me if you're done. Finish.
Finish.
Finish. Okay. Number two. How? Oh, la, 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 la. Okay. How about Theo will try to read number two?
How many people are there in the picture?
Okay. Can I ask if you know people? Do you know what is people? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. People. Not animals. People. How many? One, two, three. four, Okay. People is dun, 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 dun. Finish. Number three.
What
Read.
color is the woman's skirt?
Okay. Can I ask Theo what is a woman? Do you know what is a woman?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Okay, what color is the woman's skirt? Uh-huh. Skirt is okay. What color is the woman's skirt? Green, orange, um, green or orange? That's not oh, green is not a skirt. It is a dress, I think. Um, let's see. Oh, Finish. Finish number three. I think it's okay. Finish number four. Oh, not yet. Wait. Erase. Mm,
여자 스커트 색깔이
finish. Are you finished? Not yet. Finish number three. Not yet. Okay. Skirt, not dress. Skirt is not pants, not jeans. No, no, no. Not trousers. Skirt. It's for the woman. Bum, bum. Okay, two colors. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Orange, orange, and green. Kaya ko to na.
하나가
Number three. Okay. Okay. Number woman skirt. The woman is this one. Where is it? Okay. Finish. Finish.
Yeah.
Okay, number four. Can you read number four? What?
What is the baby wearing on one of her feet?
Okay, and then continue to the answer. A blue. S- Oh, baby. A blue. s- 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 Finish.
Yang tiga punya serap.
It's it's also okay, finish. It's also parts of clothes, like we wear it. Uh-huh. Number five, can you please read?
What color is the girl's hair?
This time, not the woman, this time the girl. Okay. I will say the girl's hair is rainbow, like Teo. I really like, oh, like rainbow. Okay. Finish?
Miss.
Okay, good, good, good. Number one, where is the jacket? On the jacket, pro- proper way to say in English is like this. Wait for a while, orange. The jacket is on the chair. This one. It's dad's jacket. Yes? Yes. And also, how about teacher's jacket? Where is teacher's jacket? Why is this black? Very cold. Okay, good. Number two, how many people are there in the picture?
Five.
Okay, there are, when you say there are five people in the picture, but five is acceptable. But if you want to say complete sentence in English, you can say there are. Okay, I will help you. Wait for a while. There are five people in the picture. It's always that you use the question in answering as well. Okay, good job. Theo, how about number three? Can you please read? Question.
어떻게? 어,
Okay, what?
what is
Uh-huh. Okay, go.
more
Color is
orange?
orange. Yes, this is a skirt and it's orange. Good job. How about number four? Number four. Can you read?
어, 사,
A blue sock. Okay, that's good. Correct answer. But if we need to try and speak in English, we should try complete sentence. For example, we always stop with the is and the are and the is in the question. For example, number four, the baby is wearing on one of her feet a blue sock. Because if it's two, we say socks. Okay, that's correct. So, how about number five? Can you try to say or answer in complete sentence? What color is the girl's hair? Start saying here. The girl's hair color is, start here,
The girl's hair color is black.
black. Okay, that's good. Now you already know how to answer incomplete. Very good. Okay, how about, oh wait, I should write that here. That's good. Maybe another topic in English is also correct way to answer. But anyways, teacher is giving this tip or this for you, to practice answering in English as well. Okay? Okay, good job, Teo. You did a great job by answering questions based on the picture. Now, do you still remember pants and shorts and trousers and jeans? Do you still remember clothes, jeans, trousers? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Can I ask Teo, what are you wearing today? I am wearing, wait, I'll send in the chat box. Shirt. I am wearing you start on the top. I am wearing a shirt and a pants. Okay. Can you see it? I am wearing, okay. Okay,
So
sample teacher. Wait, I'll show Teo. Okay. Hello, my name is Teacher KZ. I have black hair and I'm wearing a blue shirt with collar and I'm wearing skirt. Oh, I can't stand. Okay.
I
And also, I
so
am wearing a gray socks, color gray. Oh, okay. How about Teo? You
I'm
s-
wearing a short shirt and a white
oh, white shirt. Okay, first color and then shirt. White shirt and then shorts, jeans, trousers,
green
pajama.
green shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Green shorts.
Green shorts. Okay, how about socks?
Yellow.
No
Um,
socks?
I'm
No?
no.
Okay. Okay, I will start and we will end here. Look at teacher. My name is Casey. I have black hair. I'm wearing a blue shirt and I'm wearing a black skirt and a gray sock. How about you? Okay. Hello, my name is Teo. I have rainbow hair. Okay, go. Try from up and then going down. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay. Yes, you can do it. I have a rainbow hair. You will say. Yes. I'm laughing.
Honey, here.
I have my hair color is mm, come on. And then we're finished. Okay? We will practice this one next time. Is that okay? And our teacher will write on the comment section, the chat box. And I don't know what you will wear next time, but I will just give ting, 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 blank, 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 toot, toot, toot. Okay, and then you will say, is that okay? Okay? Okay. You will start like this. Hello, my name is Teo. I have a rainbow hair. I'm wearing a white shirt. Oh, what's the one here? Is that cake picture? Do you have picture? No. I'm wearing a white shirt. I'm wearing a green shorts. That's it. That's it. Okay, we will practice this question next time so that whenever you meet someone, you answer, "Hello, what's your name? What are you wearing?" Okay? Okay, okay? Okay, there we go. Little bit smile. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Teo. We know already the parts. For example, shirts and shorts and colors of the hair and arms, parts of the body. So we're already learning a lot already. And see you next time because we are going to talk about sentence. Okay? You will say how to use these sentences in English next time. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay. See you next time, Teo. Thank you for your time. You did a great job today. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye. Okay.